How LLMs are replacing traditional search and what you can do about it. The way people find information online is changing fast. Traditional search engines like Google are no longer the only gateway to answers. Instead, users are turning to AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Perplexity to get direct conversational responses. This shift is reshaping SEO and giving rise to two new concepts: GEO, Generative Engine Optimization, and AEO, Answer Engine Optimization. If you rely on organic traffic, this isn't just a trend to watch, it's a transformation you need to act on. What are LLMs, and why do they matter? Large language models, or LLMs, are AI systems trained on massive datasets to understand and generate human-like text. Instead of showing a list of links, they give you answers, summaries, and recommendations. Traditional search versus AI search. Here's the key difference. Traditional search gives you links. AI search gives you answers. Traditional search relies on keywords. AI understands natural language questions. Traditional search is one way. AI is conversational. And most importantly, AI reduces clicks. People are getting answers without visiting websites. The rise of zero-click search. This leads to something called zero-click search. That's when users get their answer without clicking anything. And this is growing fast. Here's why it matters. Less traffic to websites, more competition to appear inside AI answers, and authority matters more than ever. What is GEO? GEO stands for Generative Engine Optimization. It means optimizing your content, so AI models use it, not just rank it, but actually reference it. Your new goal is simple. Become the source. AI trusts. What is AEO? AEO stands for Answer Engine Optimization. This is about structuring your content so it can be turned into direct answers. Think FAQs, featured snippets, voice search responses. AEO is the bridge between SEO and AI. Why traditional SEO isn't enough. Old SEO focused on keywords, backlinks, rankings, but the new reality is different. Now it's about context, authority, clarity, and structured answers. Search is no longer about finding the best page, it's about getting the best answer. How to optimize for AI. GEO plus AEO. Here's what actually works in 2026. 1. Answer questions clearly. Write like you're answering a real question. Be direct, be simple. 2. Use structured content. Break your content into headings, bullet points, short paragraphs. This helps AI understand and extract information. 3. Add FAQs. FAQs are powerful. They match how people actually search and how AI responds. 4. Build topical authority. Don't just write one article. Own the entire topic. Cover basics, advanced strategies, and everything in between. 5. Optimize for entities. Don't just use keywords. Mention real things like tools, companies, concepts. AI understands context, not just words. 6. Increase credibility. AI favors trusted sources, so include author information, data, examples, references. 7. Use semantic SEO. Use related terms naturally. Think beyond one keyword. Speak the language your audience uses. The future of search. The future isn't Google versus AI, it's integration. Search engines are becoming AI-driven, and AI tools are becoming search engines. Expect more personalized answers, fewer clicks, higher demand for trusted content. What you should do right now. Here's your action plan. Audit your content. Make it clear and structured. Add FAQs to key pages. Build authority in your niche. And most importantly, start optimizing for AI visibility, not just rankings. Final thoughts. LLMs aren't just changing search. They're redefining how information is discovered. If your content isn't being used by AI, it's not being seen. The winners in this new era will be those who create clear, authoritative content, optimize for answers, not just rankings. And adapt early. TLDRLLMs are changing how people search. Zero-click searches are rising. GEO and AEO are the future. And structured, authoritative content wins.